Hello, welcome to another episode of Mark 2 Golf Stories. Got the old man there giving us a wave. Today with a GTD, we're looking at replacing the fuel filter because God knows when this one was last changed, and it's probably full of crap. So we're going to do that. Okay, so we need to take off all these hoses. Well, let's take this clip off first then. Take the valve off, take those off, can't we? Like this. Oh, that's pretty good, it just clips over it.
What?
This one, not so sure about.
It before?
You have to cut this one though.
There's dirt on that.
And there's minging in it. There we go, twist it off. Got it. Okay, this is your, what's this, return valve was it?
Yeah.
Return valve, right. So should we take these off now then?
Yeah.
Don't need it, it's alright, stronger than most men. Right, so we have a new return valve.
That needs to come off.
Okay, so here's our new return valve. Okay, well, to loosen the bracket for the filter, there's a screw here. So put a Phillips end on a socket.
Loose yet. Right.
There we go. Undo these next.
Give some light on it really.
It's fine.
Yeah, I think we'll squirt out. Careful.
Oh god, that one's stiff. Okay, there we go. So we're going to prime the new fuel filter by putting some of the diesel out of the old one into the new one. We've got a funnel going into the top of it. And we're just using an old tea towel that's clean as a kind of filter. I think your nose, your head will cave in.
I'm scratching my head.
Just going to pour it into it.
It's a light.
Fuel looks nice and clean. Okay, here's all the muck we got out of the old filter.
Oh, not all of it, some of it.
Pretty dirty. Okay, so we're just going to put a new filter back in.
What's this off?
No idea. Take these off. Tighten these back up. filter for the fuel filter.
Right. Oh, it's pretty full.
Not going down.
Full.
Then we can put our return valve back on. Put the clip back in. We had to take it off and turn it around because we noticed that there's an arrow on this. So make sure you've got the valve facing the right way, or else fuel's not going to be able to get back down it. So retighten these up.
There in that. Oh, bloody load of it.
So we're just bleeding out any air from the fuel system via the injectors. We're loosening the injectors one at a time with the engine running. That should let any air out. You can tighten that one up now. So you probably see the foam in the fuel. That's the air in the fuel. So when all the foam's gone, we know all the air's gone out of it. It does make quite a mess, so beware, be warned. A lot of air in that one. Okay, that looks okay. We'll tighten it up now. We can see air coming down the lines there.
Okay.
That's looking a lot better. We've still got a bit of air in there though. We'll just check each one again. What's your face there, Dad? the air coming out of that one. So as you can see, the return hose is now free from air. That was completely white before we air in it. So there we go, that's the fuel filter changed, and another example of how to bleed air from the fuel system. If you found it helpful or interesting, please drop a like, click on subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.